Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the ZUKRAVE 6155 makeup kit, a 16-piece set that's got everything you need for a full glam look, plus some hairstyling goodies all in one amazing pack. Let's dive in and see what this kit has to offer. First up, the 7 pink makeup brushes. They're soft, stylish, and perfect for applying makeup smoothly. I use the fluffy one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow, no shedding, and they blend like a dream. Next, the hair dryer. It's compact but powerful, drying my hair fast with a sleek finish, great for quick touch-ups. The mini hair straightener is a game changer, small enough to travel with but heats up well and straightened my bangs in minutes. Then the eyeshadow palette. It's got vibrant shades from mattes to shimmers, perfect for any vibe. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is solid, a bit powdery but buildable with effort. The 3-in-1 eye combo is awesome. Eyeliner, mascara, and brow gel in one. I tried it and the black is bold, making my eyes pop instantly. The 36H eyeliner is super precise. I drew a wing and it stayed waterproof all day. No flaking here. The kajal is jet black and creamy. I lined my waterline and it didn't smudge even after hours. Love that intensity. Finally, the pink beauty blender. Soft, bouncy, and blends foundation seamlessly. A total must-have. This kit is a steal for anyone wanting an affordable, all-in-one beauty solution. Makeup and hair tools together is such a bonus. It's not luxury. The shadows could be creamier and the hair tools basic, but for the price, it's fantastic. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this ZUKRAVE set or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing and styling together.